So today we're at a property in Felsted. We've recently completed this project and it's one of my favourite ones. The interior design is stunning. So what we're going to do, we're going to go inside, have a look at why we've put a control split on the front windows, why we've put PVC in the utility room, and what we've done in the bedrooms to make it completely blackout. This is a new build property. When we previously visited the survey, this house was completely empty. And obviously that means there's no privacy, especially on the front where the builders are still doing their work. So when we did the survey about 3 months ago, we installed 3 temporary blinds for the customer. And last week their shutters came, we installed, removed the temporary blinds for them and installed shutters on all the windows and blackout blinds in all the bedrooms. I can control this half and this half separately. So what a lot of customers would do is have the top half straight open for light and have the bottom half tilted for their privacy. But if you want, you can have them all straight and maximise the light completely. But to have this, it doesn't cost anything extra. What we can do is we can split halfway in this example here, or even go 2/3. Now we're in one of the bedrooms. Now there's 2 things we've had to do in this bedroom. The first one is bifold the shutters. The reason being is that there's a fire escape on this window, which means we couldn't put any solid pieces of frame that blocks that. The second thing is we've put a blackout blind. Now shutters aren't blackout, they are what we call blockout, so they keep most of the light out. If you need that extra blackout for your bedrooms, what we can do is put a blind in behind. This window here has a split halfway, again for privacy at the bottom, but you can have light at the top. What it also has is a bifold panel. So left one opens first to make this window really easy to access, and then this one bifolds. And the reason for that is this section here of this window is actually a fire escape. What we've also added to this is a blackout blind. Now, when you pull that down and then shut the panels over the top, it makes this room completely dark. The reason you can't put hardwood in a bathroom is that it does take moisture on. So over time, that wood and the paint isn't going to last. So by putting PVC in there, it means that it can get damp over and over and over again, and it will last 10, 15 plus years because it's completely waterproof. So we're in a utility room and it's downstairs and it's on the front of the house. That means that the customer can't leave their window open for security reasons, but that then means that the moisture can't escape. So what we've done with the shutters here is made them a PVC, so they're completely waterproof, along with a stainless steel hinge. So quite often when you have a sink, the tap, if it comes above the sill, it will block your panels from opening. So what we've done is we've bifolded these panels to the right, which means they open fully and avoids the tap. So rather than having this panel open to the right and this one to the left where it would hit the tap, what we've done is we've bifolded it completely to the right, which means it opens around the tap, opens flat against the wall, and it means you can access your window handle here.